Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming storage and securing a backup. Open Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage to see what consumes space. This tells you where to act first. Once you know the biggest culprits, delete or offload apps and remove large videos and unneeded photos to free 35 GB. Make sure to back up to iCloud or a computer before deleting. This preserves data. If iCloud is full, temporarily remove non-essential content or temporarily use a computer for the update. You now prepare the actual update. If an update file is partially downloaded and causing problems, remove it in iPhone storage, then re-download. Make sure you connect to reliable Wi-Fi and plug the phone into power. Updates pause if power is low. If after freeing space you still lack capacity, use Finder or iTunes on a Mac or PC to update. This uses the computer's storage to apply the update. Once done, verify the phone boots normally and that app's open. You finish by installing the update and confirming success. Tap Settings, General, Software Update, then follow the on-screen prompts. The device may restart several times. This is normal. After it reboots, check General, about to confirm the iOS version. If the update fails, try a restart, then reset network settings and retry or perform the update via a computer. Make sure to keep backups. If things still go wrong, contact Apple support for guided recovery to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.